Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon for all notifications. Thank you very much. So let's say you're about to go out. You want to go to work, you want to go for a short ride, you want to check all the lights, you want to check your signal lights, your headlights, and everything else, and you want to check your auxiliary light. We're checking the switch here. But what if that light doesn't turn on? And how are we going to fix it? And what are the troubleshooting steps we're going to be taking? So here's the video on how to check it. First step of all troubleshooting steps is first remove the light from your motorcycle. At first I was like, how hard can it be to disassemble this thing? But I was dead wrong. You can find it here in the next clip that I had a lot of trouble trying to open it up. So what I did, open up the stove. So I'm thinking that there could be some residue or like adhesive that's making its way, or it's making it hard for me to open it. So with just a little heat there, making sure everything is all heated up, then I'll try to twist it again. It's like opening up a bottle cap. As you can see here, it was just really easy. Now after removing the cap, I then noticed the black cable is not connected to the board. So that's the first step. There's a lot of things that needs to be checked here, but in my end, since I'm seeing this particular cable not connected to it, so that's where I started out. So I started by stripping the wire and then making sure that it's gonna be cleaned up, for etc. But besides this, you might want to check if this is not the problem you're looking for, if this is not the one that you're having, you might want to check your board for any blown up circuits. For example, a capacitor. For that instance, you might want to check that. And there's a lot of capacitors you can buy from the electronics store that can be easily replaced. You just need to remove the solder from that capacitor and then replace with a new one. Done deal, right? So in this case, I've just sorry about the soldering there. My hands have been really shaky. So alright, so as you can see, I've already connected back the black cable and then just assembling it back. Later on, you'll be seeing that I had to remove the cap again, because the main reason why this black cable came off is just there was nothing stopping it from being pulled out. So what I did here, I just took out like a thick cable, wrap it with cable tie, and making sure it's secured to that main harness wire there, to the wire going to the TDD Blue water lamp, and tried to play around with it. And you can see that it didn't budge, so there's no way that's gonna be pulling out the black cable or the ground cable. Now just make sure to put that rubber back in, making sure it's watertight. You don't want water coming into your light though. So this is gonna be straightforward. I didn't use any relays on this particular light. So the black wire has to go to the black terminal or negative terminal of the battery, and then the red wire goes to the positive terminal of the battery. So you can see it's already working. So my only problem at that time was that the black or the negative cable from inside the TDD black water auxiliary light was loose or cut off. Thank you for watching.